Hello students, myself Divyansh. So today we will discuss a new and fresh topic, chapter number 18, class 6th, garbage in, garbage out. Firstly, we discuss about the types of wastage. We know that we have a type of wastage, three type of wastage. Solid wastage contains of materials such as vegetable wastage, paper, cardboard, like metals, are these are the solid wastage. And liquid waste. Liquid waste is washing utensils, okay, and cloth and chemical solvents released from factories. These are the liquid waste. And gaseous waste emitted by the burning of fuels in factories of and vehicles. These are the liquid waste. Now we discuss about the what is biodegradable wastes and non biodegradable wastes. First, we discuss about the what is biodegradable waste. Waste that can be broken down or decomposed into simple substance by the action of microorganisms are called biodegradable wastes. Example like vegetables, fruits, cotton, humans, and animal wastes. Second, we discuss about the non-biodegradable waste. Wastes that cannot be broken down or decomposed by microorganisms are known as non-biodegradable wastes. Examples: glass and plastics are the non-biodegradable wastes. Second, we discuss about the segregation of waste. Segregation. What is segregation? Segregation is actually the biodegradable waste is separated or segregated from the entire waste and made into compost. This way the amount of waste is reduced and it is disposed safely. This is known as segregation of waste. We have a two type of dustbin. One is green type and second is blue type. We throw any biodegradable waste in green dustbin and we throw any non biodegradable wastes in blue dustbin. Now we discuss about the waste management. Waste management referred to as a set of process by which waste is collected, transported, segregated and disposed. This is known as the waste management. Next we discuss about the landfills. What is landfills? A landfills is a large, open, and low-lying area used for disposing solid waste. Okay, like you see very well this picture 18.8. ओके, तो जो भी हमारे पास मतलब जो जो हमारे पास वेस्ट होता है उसको डालने के लिए बहुत बड़ी एक जगह खाली की जाती है जहाँ पर हम उस वेस्ट को डाल सकते हैं, तो उसी खाली जगह को क्या बोलते हैं? लैंडफिल्स. नेक्स्ट वी डिस्कस अबाउट द व्हाट इज कंपोस्टिंग. कंपोस्टिंग इज ए टेक्निक टू एक्सक्रीलेट द नेचुरल डिके process. In this technique microorganisms convert organic waste. Okay, this is the picture of the picture 18.8 is a composting. Okay, composting is a normally is organic waste. Okay, now next is we discuss about the what is vermicomposting. The process of composting organic waste into manure with the help of earthworms is called vermicomposting. बेसिकली जो वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग होता है वो केचुए जो अर्थवॉर्म होता है हमारा उसके थ्रू बनाया जाता है. वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग जो क्या करता है, जिसे हम फिर अपने फील्ड या खेतों में डालते हैं, जो कि जो सोइल होती है उसे फर्टाइल करने के लिए काम में आता है. ओके okay, next we discuss about the threes of waste management. Reduce, reuse and recycle is the threes of waste management. First of all we discuss about the what is reduce. A simple way to manage waste is to reduce the amount of waste. This is known as a reduce of any waste. Okay, and the point of reduce of any waste is avoid buying excess items, say no plastic. Okay, now we discuss about the reuse. If we reuse a material, we do not throw it into the dustbin, thereby reducing waste. Okay, the point of these reuse is use both sides of a paper while writing. Okay, and next is old cloth can be donated in relief camps. Okay, now we discuss about the recycles. Recycle is the process by which used and discarded waste materials are converted into a new and useful products. Okay, like old newspapers, organic waste can be made into compost. Okay, this type. And what is recycle of plastic? मतलब हम प्लास्टिक को कैसे रिसाइकिल करते हैं, तो हम इसमें ये डिस्कस करेंगे पॉइंट्स के बारे में. प्लास्टिक बोटल्स कंटेनिंग जूसेस एंड ड्रिंक्स कैन बी वॉश्ड एंड यूज्ड for storing household items. Okay, now and next point is maybe old buckets can be used as pots for growing plants. Old plastic toys can be donated to children's. Okay, broken household plastic can be given away to scrap dealers. This is the type of why this is the type of recycle of plastics. Okay, now we discuss about the recycle of papers. Paper is also an essential commodity. It is used for making books, you know very well, notebooks, newspapers, currency notes. So this is the why the paper is useful of us. Paper is made from the wood, you know very well, and through this paper is and you know very well, paper is biodegradable waste. Okay, production requires of cutting down a huge number of trees while we making the paper. So we discuss the few points about the papers, how we recycle the paper. Always write on both side of papers. Okay, reuse envelopes and papers packets. Old newspaper can be made into envelopes, bags and craft items. This is how we recycle the papers. So students, I just hope you will be understand all the topics which we study today. So thank you for watching this video.